Most people panic when the Dave app stops working. They assume their account is blocked or something is seriously wrong. That's where they get it wrong. Here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, Dave is not broken. It is usually a simple issue with your app, your bank connection, or your account status. In this video, you'll learn exactly why Dave is not working in 2026 and how to fix it step by step. Let's start with the most common issue. The first reason Dave stops working is a poor internet connection or outdated app version. If your app is not updated, it can fail to load your balance, cash advance options, or login screen. For example, Alex thought his account was locked. But after updating the app, everything started working normally again. Now here's where most people get confused. They assume app issues always mean account problems. That is not true. Many errors are just technical glitches. Now, let's move to the second issue. Your bank connection may be broken. Dave relies on syncing with your bank account. If your bank login changes, or your connection expires, the app may stop working properly. Jake ran into this when he changed his online banking password. Dave could no longer verify his account, so his cash advance feature disappeared until he reconnected his bank. Now here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes Dave is working fine, but your eligibility has changed. The app constantly checks your income, spending behavior, and account balance. If something changes, certain features may temporarily disappear. But here's the problem. This is where most users make mistakes. They keep reopening the app or trying random actions instead of checking the real issue. That does not fix anything. In a minute, I'll show you the fastest way to fix Dave when it stops working. Let's go through the solutions step by step. First, update your Dave app from the App Store or Google Play. This fixes most glitches instantly. Second, restart your phone. This clears temporary system errors that may block the app. Third, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test stability. Fourth, reconnect your bank account inside the app if anything looks disconnected or outdated. Now here's where it gets interesting. If everything is updated and still not working, the issue may be on Dave's server side. Sometimes maintenance or temporary outages can affect login and cash advance features. In that case, there is nothing you can do except wait a short time and try again later. The key takeaway is simple. Dave not working in 2026 is usually not a serious issue. It is almost always caused by app updates, bank syncing problems, or temporary system glitches. If you fix those three areas, most problems disappear quickly. If this helped you solve your issue, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.